Now next method is with the help of training. The curved object, when we measure the curved object, it is always measured with the trend. The thread will be given to you. In the exam, thread will be given to you to tie your map. That is also used to measure this distance. How we measure? We take a minimum distance now from where the settlement is started. Where the settlement is started, we will go till that place only. So what we do, we take thread, we keep on that place and we will mark one point on that thread from where it will start. We kept here and now we will take with the help of this thread will be we go. We measure this distance with the help of thread. Take it very small distance, don't take like this, will be different. If you take like this and this, it will be different. So take a small steps, very little distance between two places, and with the help of this thread, we will go that place and final this again one mark will be there at the last point. Now we have got the 2 point, we have got 2 point starting in next point with the thread. Now this thread will be kept again on the scale the same way. It was coming somewhere 2 point this. Again what we do, we mark it, we take it to 2 point something more. So again we mark at the point of 2, that will be taken 2.4. It is 2.4, so it will be 2.4 kilometer. This distance measured mainly with the curved object. It is mainly with the help of curved object. Curved object it is taken, like the tracks, like the road, railways. When we measure the distance of a two settlement with the help of road and tracks on which we have to move, it is always taken with the help of thread. Thread will be provided to you, as I told you, always a 22 centimeter thread is provided in the examination to tie your map. You know the map is compulsory part. So that thread only you will use to measure this distance between two places. So this is a two method. The crow fly, just keep in the mind, crow fly method when we measure, it is always with the maximum distance, the last settlement, and from of the two places, settlement mainly will be shown with the red square, red grid, and two settlement maximum distance will be taken in the direct distance, and indirect distance like the road and railways, that will be taken from where the settlement is started. We will not enter in the settlement. We will not enter in the settlement. See where the settlement is started, we have stopped there only. This will be taken, it is the help of a thread. Now when you use a thread, most of the mistakes what you do, you measure this distance, then this. Don't take this much of a distance at once. Take a small distance, just keep it, and very slowly and gradually go with the help of thread. Very slowly and gradually go with the help of thread, and this is how my minimum distance you measure. So this was a two method. This mistakes you do, and also what you do, just keep it in the mind that zero on your scale is always started somewhere in the between. It is not at the first point. It is always started from the zero. See, it was given in the topo sheet. I am going to show you the scale which is given on topo sheet. It is always started. See, the scale was given and it was started 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So always it is started. Now we see here the settlement, red color is settlement, this red color is settlement. And you also see the road, red line was there, that is road. Red line was there, that is shown a road. This red line is road. You have to measure this distance only from this place to this place with the help of this red line. It was an indirect, while taking direct last settlement this place and the last settlement this place. That was a crow fly and the direct distance. This is how the distance is measured on the topo sheet. Keep it in the mind always. The scale is given in the kilometer, kilometer, and the subdivision was given at the end, not in the between. So whatever is there, after that again we have to mark and we have to measure. So this was the first. This is how we measure a distance between two places. The first one method is a crow flight, direct, that is a maximum, and the second one is a curved object, which is taken the minimum, and with the help of fin, with the help of thread it is measured. Thank you.